Hello folks, I'm Troglodyte from Simple Trade, and today I want to take you through a review about a stock that already ran twice in the past 2 months. First 400% and then 600%. The stock is INCC. Let's dive right in, shall we? The CEO of the company is Antonio F. Uccello. He is also quite an active Twitter user. In one of those tweets, he have mentioned both INCC and GGII. This was received by the investors as great news of collaboration. At the time, GGII was traded at more than twice the price of INCC and was spoken about by many. The stock was rising for 3 days, until GGII tweeted that they have no agreement or joint venture with INCC whatsoever. Inevitably, that tweet caused the stock to crash down even lower than its previous value. That teaches us to always verify and be cautious about any news or updates in the OTC world. A month later, the company opened a new Twitter account, something that might suggest progress and incoming updates. And surely enough, a month after the account was opened, the company announced that they have executed a letter of intent to acquire Soundtech AI Incorporated for $150 million, a company developing a sound experience using quantum computing and artificial intelligence. This immediately affected the stock price, which began increasing, rising 600%. And so folks, we can see how important it is to always be vigilant and on top of things, whether when the news are considered good or bad. For more informative videos and reviews, please subscribe and check out the Simple Trade Discord community. So long my friends, and good luck to us all!